Hey guys, Terrence here, your computer concierge with Computers Plus in Acworth, Georgia, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. And today I'm going to talk about scammers. Scammers. They're all around us every day. And so I want to give you guys some tips on how you guys keep yourself updated and don't get scammed, because it doesn't feel good when you get scammed. So one big scam out there is exploitation, like frauding you, blackmailing you. One big scam out there is that you'll get an email and it will say, hey, we looked at your browsing history, and if you don't give us X amount of dollars, then we're going to tell all your contact lists that you were on this website. And people freak out. People get scared and they do what the email says. Most times, actually all the time, this is a big chain letter. It's a scam. And they get people at their lowest point and they say, hey, go out and get these gift cards and we'll make this all go away. Don't buy into it. Don't click the link. Don't believe it. It is a scam. And if you want more information on seeing if it is if it is what you think it is, bring it in. Let's take a look at it. We love to work with you and figure out making sure that you're protected and you're safe, because there's, again, a lot of scammers, and this is what they do. They scam us and they get us at our lowest point. I want to also talk about businesses. That's on the rise too. A lot of businesses are getting hit so much. So there's some things that you can keep yourself safe and your business safe, and that is always get a copy of license and a credit card. Especially if that person is doing a purchase with you, you want to make sure that that is the right person and they are authorized to use that card. So that's a big thing. I know sometimes we get into this hassle and we want to just like rush, and we just need to slow down, take a pause, and just do those little steps that kind of keep us all safe. Another one I want to talk about is the big one, the email. So many email scams out there. It's just ridiculous. We put one out there for Mac. Mac is getting hit really hard now. At one time, Mac wasn't hit hard, but now the way they're operating their operating system, they're getting hit just as hard as Windows PC. So you want more information how to keep yourself safe with Mac, come in. We're open 6 days a week. Our phone number is 770-693-0769. Our address is 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Hey, everybody. Hey, Lance. How's it going, man? Hey, so again, I just want to touch base with you guys and make sure how we can keep you guys safe. Another big scam out there is a stimulus scam. That's another big scam. They call you and they say, hey, you're supposed to get some more money back on your stimulus, and we just need your routing information and your banking information so we can deposit those funds into your bank account. This is not real. This is not going to happen. Hang up. Tell your friends, because a lot of times people share information and they get their contact list hacked. So they're just going down the Rolodex, calling people, calling your contact list. So if you do feel like you've gotten that email, hey, send out an email to all your friends and say, hey, guess what? This email is coming around. Just want to keep you guys on the update. This is how we all keep ourselves safe in this world of technology, because there's a lot of things out there, that information that is fake news, fake media, fake stuff, all that stuff fake. So if you want just a little tip, give us a call and we'll be able to sort through that and see if that is really true and what that email is. PayPal's another one. You know, they got a lot of hacking in PayPal and Amazon. And how this scam works is they'll send you this email and they'll say, hey, something on your account is not right. Click here and we can log into your account and figure this out for you. That's where the scam starts. See, a lot of times people get confused with scamming and hacking. Scamming is when someone tricks you into giving you their information. Where hacking, they actually hack into your system, and that can be from a phone call. They call you and they say, I'm from Microsoft, and you have a security breach, and they're scamming you to hack into your system. Very rarely is it like just someone just hacks into your system. That's normally on big financial industries where they hack into the system, steal credit card information, but into your computer alone. They're going to try to scam you with an email, with a phone call. So let's just, keep our friends abreast and say, hey, this is what's happened to me. Did you get that same phone call? Because a lot of time people get embarrassed and they just feel that they don't want to tell everybody their business. But sometimes that's important because again, the scammers, they work in these pulls and these cycles. So if your friend John's email got hacked, they're going to go through all of John's emails and just send them out that same scam. These are chain letters, and so you want to, sometimes we feel very trusting, and we trust things on the internet, and we trust things, and we just have to take that other step back and just let me verify. And a great president once told us, trust but verify, and that's so important for us to just look at the email, see what's going on, and say, let me call my bank, let me log off and go to PayPal directly. Let me try this. Let me try that, and those are things that can help keep us safe. So, if you are a victim of fraud, please contact your local law enforcement and see what we can do about that. Because if we can add them to that list, then we can protect each other. If you've got the gift card scam, start changing your bank account information, start changing your banking stuff. Because sometimes if you let people in your computer, they can always get into your computer. You may think they're logged off, but they're not. So if you possibly let someone in your computer, unplug it, bring it down to your local IT professional, and make sure that your information is protected, because we're all in this together. I'm Terrence with Computers Plus in Acworth, Georgia, signing off. Don't forget about our friends in Carsville. That address is 900 North Tennessee Street. Phone number is 678-385-4515. I'm Terrence. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.